Hi guys, welcome back on the channel. If you're watching for the first time, welcome. I'm Richard and I make videos on how to make more money with your 3D printers. Today I want to talk to you about customers and how they fall in 3 categories. Let's get down to business. In the first category, we have those customers for whom quality is the most important factor. From my experience, if the conversation shifts immediately on quality, mainly means the customer is unsure and lacks knowledge about the technology, materials, and processes. You need to guide these customers starting from the basics. I strongly suggest you bring and show some pieces with different properties so they can touch firsthand, and from their feedback, lay out the next steps. In the second category, we find customers for whom pricing is king. These customers are scouting for the best deal. When you see that the conversation is diverted multiple times on pricing, it often means that the customer already has other quotes from other companies and wants to see if you're in target or too pricey. To not underprice yourself or your products, it's very important that you know your numbers and how much you can bargain. The last category is composed by those in a hurry. As I see it, talking about delivery timeframes is a slippery ground. When they set tight delivery dates, what they're really doing is eliminating contenders. Overpromising will hurt your reputation. And for those that don't know it yet, in business, reputation is everything. Worst thing that can happen is delivering late for an event or an exhibition. They will be screwed and very upset. So beyond all, be sure to deliver on time or in advance and declare your delivery time frame early in the discussion. It could happen time to time that you will deal with customers between 2 categories. Maybe they value money and quality or time and money, but if you find yourself with a customer wanting superb quality, wants to bargain too much on price, and pretends an impossible delivery date, well, my best advice is to find another customer. You will waste too much energy trying to satisfy them for pocket change. So guys, keep in mind this triangle next time you deal with a customer. See you in the next one.